Hello everyone, I'm doing an oil change on this beautiful Saturday afternoon. As you can see here on my old Honda Civic with 250,000 miles on it. I do enjoy changing the oil myself, and I always try and use good quality oil. Here you can see the Castrol GTX high mileage, and this is a synthetic blend. If you look at the reviews on Amazon, this has really good reviews. You can see there's different tiers to the Castrol brand. GTX high mileage has the emission system protection. Edge high mileage has the emission system protection and it's full synthetic, as well as deoxylicensed. And the Edge is max engine performance, deoxylicensed, full synthetic, and it has 10 times better high temp performance. Help with sludge buildup. It also has exceptional oil burn-off protection, which exceeds industry standards. It has the seal conditioners to help reduce leaks, and it has advanced additives to minimize engine wear. Again, we're using the high mileage synthetic blend today. I keep on top of my oil changes and like to change them every 3,000 to 6,000 miles with a good oil filter. So I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching.